Hi, I'm Justin Blake and I'm a defenseman for your Nelson Flames.
My name is Jesse Swire and I'm a winger for your Nelson Flames.
This year, to be successful, we need to be a team. Been having a lot of individual talents, which is not bad because we are a talented team. But last year's team, we were more of a team, so had the chemistry. Everybody's passing the puck and it was just way more fun. If we could build the same chemistry that we had last year into this year's team, we should be able to do much more than what we accomplished last year.
Well, the big difference from last year's team and this year's team is that we're still trying to mend together and become one as a team instead of just being individuals. Last year we were able to do that well and it got us a pretty successful year. So.
Against MM, what we did successfully is in practice are more of special teams and breakouts.
Came out a little soft in the beginning, but then realized they were more of a team than they were last year, so we kind of came together and came out with a big win.
I hear that you've been running, are you trying to escape? All that I can offer, come into my embrace, 'cause you belong to me.
But what we did against MM Robinson, we worked more together as a team. We ended up potting 7 goals. I still think we could have got a little bit more, but it was just that team bonding curve that we needed to get all of our team on the same page, so we could just get a couple more goals and then take that into future games. When they scored that first goal, we all looked at each other and realized that we're in more of a hockey game than we think we are. So then we potted 2 quick ones after that, and then this ended up, the floodgates were just open. We ended up scoring 8 goals.
Cause you're the only one I ever want to stay. Cause you're the only one I ever want to stay.
Got the boys a little more fired up, realizing that we'd play a little harder, which definitely turned around our game. Other than that, we started to move the puck well and bend together. We just kind of came together as a team and we were able to get another big win.
Heading up to Georgetown, what made us successful that game was that we expected it to be a good game.
They were a pretty strong team as they were the year before.
They could have easily beaten any team in the league if they wanted to. So having that expectation that they're going to be good again stuck with us.
So we had to finish our business first in Georgetown before we could get on the road and have a good tournament ahead of us. I think we just need to keep up our teamwork play. Just need to stop being individuals and just kind of band together. Other than that, I'd like to go back to OFSA and actually do well, unlike last year. I'd also really like to win Halton again. It'd be pretty cool to go back to back.
Rely on our goalies a little bit more, play a little bit more aggressively offensively.
But there's a pretty big mountain in front of us that we have to climb first.